Rice is a staple food in many parts of the world, and it comes with both benefits and drawbacks for your health. Let's start with the good stuff. First off, rice is a great source of energy because it's packed with carbohydrates. It gives you the fuel you need to get through the day and keep your body running smoothly. Plus, it's low in fat and cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy choice. Rice also contains essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B and iron, which help your body stay healthy and strong. It's easy to digest, making it a good option for people with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. But like anything, rice has its downsides too. Eating too much rice, especially white rice, can cause your blood sugar levels to spike, which isn't good, especially for people with diabetes. It can also lead to weight gain if you eat more calories than your body needs. Another thing to watch out for is arsenic, a harmful chemical that can sometimes be found in rice. Arsenic can build up in your body over time and cause health problems like cancer and heart disease. So, while rice can be a nutritious part of your diet, it's important to enjoy it in moderation and opt for healthier varieties like brown rice or wild rice whenever possible. That way, you can reap the benefits of rice without the harmful effects.